Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to find the best music for studying. Choosing the right background sounds can dramatically improve your concentration and memory retention. We'll explore various music types, discuss key characteristics that boost focus, and provide actionable advice to help you create an optimal learning environment. Get ready to transform your study sessions with the power of sound and achieve greater academic success. When selecting study music, certain genres consistently prove effective. Classical pieces, especially instrumental piano or orchestral works, are known to foster a calm environment and boost memory. Lo-fi hip-hop, with its gentle beats and subtle imperfections, is excellent for long writing sessions. Ambient music provides a consistent background, while mellow instrumental jazz can reduce stress and spark creativity. The key is often music without prominent vocals. Beyond genre, specific characteristics make music effective for studying. Crucially, choose instrumental tracks or music with unintelligible vocals to prevent your brain from processing words. An ideal tempo for deep focus typically ranges from 50 to 80 beats per minute, promoting a calm yet alert state. Look for consistent rhythms and low complexity to avoid distractions. Also, keep the volume moderate. Too loud can overwhelm. Too soft becomes ineffective. To truly optimize your study soundscape, tailor your music to the task. For reading, try lo-fi. For brainstorming, ambient sounds might be better. Consider using time blocks such as 25 to 50-minute focus sessions paired with specific playlists. Explore options like nature sounds or binaural beats, which can enhance concentration. Finally, establish a consistent music ritual to help condition your brain for productive study sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.